Piny owacho monywando jo Kenya mopogore opogore oyangi ni dhi konyo piny Kenya nyayo mawinjore. Jatend piny William RUTO owacho ni sirikande masani ni kod mise mongirore mar bero Kenya kendo neno ni odongore e yo makare.
The formation of this broad-based government that brings together former political rivals into one selfless patriotic team, we will unlock the potential of our country that has long been denied us by factional and sectarian competition. Our potential as a nation and the attainment of that potential have often been undermined by divisions arising from political competition. Where Kenya is today, while competition is healthy and good, there is a moment where the interest of a nation is greater than the interest of a political formation. This is such a moment, and it is the reason why I have reached out across the aisle to bring on board the knowledge, expertise, and experience of deserving Kenyans, though belonging to a different political formation.
Ramogi manakane weche chalo e par jot mar jatend piny Nairobi kama jotend migepe chamo mo mating ma omigi bende neni gitiyo ne oganda jo Kenya gi bedruok gi